What are the 3 main divisions that we have? Epidermis, dermis,
hypodermis,
or subcutaneous, right. What kind of tissue do we have in the epidermis? Stratified squamous. More specific, past that. Yep, keratinized, stratified squamous. Okay, dermis, let's split that up into 2 different layers. What do we have superficially?
Papillary.
Underneath that?
Reticular.
What kind of tissue do we have in papillary? Yes, areolar. What kind do we have in reticular? Good. And then in the subcutaneous? Nice. Let's go epidermis. What is the most superficial layer of the epidermis? What layer of the epidermis does this model specifically not have, given that there is hair? Lucidum. Where do you find stratum lucidum?
Palms and soles of feet.
Yep, palms and soles of feet. Right key, right underneath stratum corneum. So stratum corneum, stratum lucidum. What's the next layer? Before that, let's get sunburned. Granulosum. After granulosum, and after spinosum, basale. Basale is only one, or germinativum, however you pronounce it, only 1 cell layer thick. So you could see here there's kind of that blue line that's going along the whole bottom. That's going to be the basale there. The way this model is set up, it's not very clear with the layers, but the layers that are clear on here are superficially, you have the stratum corneum, and the deepest one you have here for the epidermis, you have the basale. Okay, let's see, let's go hair. What is this here called?
Shaft.
What is this here called? The thing surrounding the,
hair follicle,
hair follicle. What is the yellow that's here at the base? Hair nerve. And what do we call this here? Erector pili muscle. Okay. Let's do glands really quick. What gland do we have surrounding the hair?
sebaceous,
Sebaceous. What category are both of these glands in? Sudoriferous. What specifically is this gland?
apocrine,
Apocrine. What specifically is this gland?
merocrine,
What are these little guys up here? Tactile corpuscles. And what are the larger ones down here?
lamellae,
Yes. Let's see, what are the green vessels? Oh, this one doesn't have any on it,
It's on the
but
old one.
you can see some on that model. What are those green vessels?
Vessels.
Oh wow, swivel and everything. You could do some pans and zooms. What do we call, right here we have these blood vessels meeting.
loops,
Capillary loops. What's the name of the plexus? Papillary plexus. So then they're capillary loops because those are the capillaries of the blood vessels. Remember it's in the papillary layer. They're papillary plexi. I don't know. The reason it's called papillary is because papillary means hill or mound. So then you could see on top of the model here, the dermis makes that kind of hill-like shape. So that's why this is a papillary layer here. I think that's all for integumentary. Yeah, looks like it.
Thank you, Brendan.